If your Epson printer is printing blank pages or missing colors, pause for a moment. Do not run power cleaning immediately. That decision can consume a large amount of ink and may shorten the lifespan of your print head. In this video, I will explain when to use regular head cleaning when power cleaning is truly necessary, and one common mistake that can reduce the life of your printer. The first step should always be regular head cleaning. This is the standard maintenance function built into Epson ink tank printers. It is designed to clear minor nozzle clogs caused by small air bubbles or partially dried ink. Use regular head cleaning if the nozzle check shows small broken lines, a few colors are missing, or the printer has not been used for 1 to 2 weeks. Now, here's the correct procedure. Regular head cleaning can be repeated up to 3 times. However, you must wait 2 to 3 minutes between each cycle. After each cleaning, wait about 1 minute, then print a nozzle check and evaluate the result. Do not run cleaning cycles continuously without a pause. The system needs time for the ink pressure inside the print head to stabilize. After the 3rd attempt, stop. Print a nozzle check and carefully evaluate the result. If you see improvement, even partial improvement, this indicates a minor clog and confirms that the print head is still functioning. If there is no improvement after 3 properly spaced attempts, do not continue. This is when you move to the next level, power cleaning. Power cleaning is a completely different level of maintenance. This process forces a much larger volume of ink through the internal ink channels. It is not routine maintenance. It is a deep flushing procedure. Use power cleaning only if regular head cleaning has failed after 2 or 3 proper attempts, the printer is printing completely blank pages or one color is entirely missing, and the printer has not been used for several months. Power cleaning consumes a significant amount of ink. Before running it, make sure each ink tank is filled to at least 3/4 capacity. On EcoTank models, you may notice a visible drop in ink levels after power cleaning. This is normal. However, this is exactly why the procedure must be used carefully. Here is the mistake many users make. They run power cleaning multiple times in a row. This is incorrect. After performing power cleaning once, wait at least 1 to 2 minutes. Then print a nozzle check and evaluate the result. If there is slight improvement, allow the printer to rest for several hours, ideally 6 to 12 hours, and then print another test page. Repeated deep cleaning without proper waiting time can waste excessive ink, accelerate print head wear, and fill the waste ink pad more quickly. Proper timing protects your printer in the long term. Professional troubleshooting always starts with the least aggressive method first. Problem solving should be controlled and systematic, not emotional. Expert diagnostic insight. If you see even slight improvement after cleaning, the print head is still working. If there is absolutely no change after proper procedures and correct waiting time, the issue may not be a clog. Possible causes include a damaged print head, a faulty or disconnected print head FFC cable, or in rare cases, a mainboard failure. In these situations, additional cleaning will not solve the problem. Accurate diagnosis is more important than repeated cleaning. If you value clear and professional Epson troubleshooting guidance, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, happy printing, and have a great day.